Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone asked how to rename a document. So if you want to rename your document, we go to File Explorer. Let's say this document, first one on top, if you want to rename it, you need to right click. If you right click, it will show you cut, copy, rename, share, or delete. So you select rename. You delete the information on that particular one. Let's say this one, if you want delete the information or write anything you want to write on it, then select enter, and the document now is renamed, or the document is now saved with another number. So this is just the easy way for you to rename the document. Just right click, then you select rename. You can remove the name completely, then write the name Creative 2 School. Creative 2 School. Then once you write the name, then you select enter. This document now is renamed. So this is the easy way to rename your document. I hope this helped you. Thank you.